Welcome to the Visual Center. I'm Carlos.
I'm Trent.
I'm Josh.
And here we believe that there's no end to learning.
And there's always something more you can add to your skills as a creative person.
Between us, we have over 30 years of experience as educators, photographers, and artists. Lately, we've begun to notice that it can be hard to find the information you need to expand your abilities.
From the commercially trained photographer who wants to get into fine art,
Fine artists who want to learn the technical skills needed to improve and refine their work,
Even the consistently scheduled freelance photographer who needs to learn more about running a business.
to the person who just picked up a camera for the first time and wants to learn photography.
We want to provide a place where you can learn and grow as a creative person.
here at the Visual Center we'll bring you videos ranging from photography basics to historic and alternative processes.
We'll talk about business advice and fine art practices.
Lighting techniques in the studio and out in the field.
And other valuable information to help you master your craft.
So if you feel like there's something you haven't learned yet, or there's something lacking in your work, or you're just looking for something new to recharge your creative flow, then join us and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.